Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to crochet this flower motif. We will start with the magic ring and chain 1. Round 1. In this round I am going to crochet 6 arches. So for the first arch we crocheted 1 single crochet, three chains, and single crochet. First arch is done. Repeat 3 chains and single crochet. You repeat making single crochet and 3 chains until you have a total of 5 arches. In the end we will crochet the last arch. So 1 chain and 1 half double crochet in the first single crochet. Round 2. In this round I am going to crochet 20 puff stitches. So creating a loop, and now we will crochet the first puff stitch. Crochet 3 chains and puff stitch in the next arch. Three chains and puff stitch in the same arch. Repeat to the end. In the end, we will crochet puff stitch in the first arch, chain 1 and 1/2 double crochet in the first puff stitch. Round 3. In this round I'm going to crochet chain 1 and 24 open picots. So, single crochet in the arch, 3 chains, single crochet in the same arch, 3 chains, single crochet in the next arch, 3 chains, single crochet in the same arch. Repeat to the end.